Hello, welcome to a new video. My name is Oliver, and in today's video we are traveling to Singapore, and I'm gonna take you to an amazing light show and water show at the Marina Bay. It's gonna be beautiful and amazing, and I'm heading there right now as we speak, so let's start the vlog. I'm in the metro right now here in Singapore, and I'm heading to the gardens by the bay to see the light show, and then go to Marina Bay to see the water show. So it's gonna be a very fun night. Are you joining me? I am 45 minutes too early, but let's just sit, enjoy the views, and wait for the light show to start, right? It's quite a bit of a walk, but it's fine. So 850 meters walking. And the metro station is literally next to it, but still it's so far. It's crazy. Everything is big. The temperature is amazing, kind of humid, but I love walking here. It's so nice, so green. The park is so well maintained and clean. You know, that's something very important, I think, to feel good in a place. If it's clean, and it's just amazing. The famous tower, I already see it there on the other side. That's where we're going. 1 kilometer walk. Vamos. Seems like they're doing some construction also. This is already so beautiful. Walking next to the lake, seeing everyone working out. It's amazing. This reminds me of Valencia though. There are otters crossing here. Otters are crossing the street. I want to see them. I've never seen them in real life, only in a zoo. That's amazing. They're so cute. It's amazing. But this is one of the gardens actually. This is probably the garden dome, if I'm not mistaken. They have 3 gardens. They say 1 garden is worth it, the other 2 are not. So let me see where I have to go. Bayfront, Cloud Forest, ticketing. No, I'm not there yet. All right, let's continue walking. I love walking. After you walk for like 850 meters, you arrive to this cute little park. This is the Indian Garden, and it's already with those beautiful flower lights, right? It's actually a huge park, so you can just chill there. There's a lot of benches, a lot of people just sitting there, enjoying the temperature and obviously the nature. And I was walking very slowly on my way to the point where the big light show is gonna be with the big trees, the big light trees, right? I also went to the bridge to check it out there and also see the famous Singapore building. I had to obviously take some pictures of it, but then it was actually time to go to 18 Marina Gardens Drive to watch the light show. And it's gonna be insane, I'll tell you that. I left the metro station on clear daylight, and now it's already twilighting and it's gonna be dark in literally 5 minutes. I am here in the gardens right now waiting for the light show to start. It's like 10 more minutes left. Look at this. This is insane. It is incredible. It is so beautiful. I have not seen anything in my life like this before. It is like a mysterious vibe here. Like through the leaves, they look like dinosaurs, like or big mushrooms, right? It is honestly magical, so I cannot wait for the light show, which will start in 10 minutes, so I'm happy about that. I made it in time. My feet hurt because it's a pretty long walk to get here though, because they were doing some maintenance and stuff, so roads were closed, so I had to walk all the way around the park, but it's fine because it's completely worth it. This is so typical for Singapore, and it is literally one of the most beautiful things I've seen in my life. I'm not gonna go up that bridge though, but I am gonna see the light show. I'm very excited, so let's just find another spot where I can see more mushrooms, and then we're gonna wait for it.
Rhapsody is brought to you by Gardens by the Bay and happens every evening. We hope that you have enjoyed the show.
Oh my god, that was insane! Wow! Okay, so now I'm taking the bridge over the river again to Marina Bay because we're gonna see the water show now, which is obviously gonna be insane as well. Oh my god, I can't wait. But the whole crowd is moving there now, so, well, wow, this was so beautiful, guys. Wow, I can't describe it. This water show is gonna be amazing too, I'm sure. All right, I'm getting close. You see the skyline? It is so clean here. I really feel like I'm in Miami or something. Miami is not that clean though, like compared to here, Singapore, but the skyline and just the modernness, you know, it's very modern, this city, this country. Well, actually it's a city, right? It's a country and a city in one. Amazing. And the temperature is perfect. I think it's still like 26 degrees. It's not hot, and it's certainly not cold, so it's perfect. All right, I'm arriving at some sort of deck. Oh, it already started? Shit. I walked the wrong way. Oh, I wasn't supposed to walk here next to this loud thing. I had to go in. All right, this is the way down, the only way down. All right, I literally just missed it. But I was all the way up there and I saw it happening. It's like I'm never gonna make it down in time, but yeah, that's what happened. Anyways, we have like 45 minutes now to wait before the next show, so we'll do that. I'll just wait for that one. And in the meantime, I'll go quickly to the Apple store because it's just a beautiful, beautiful building. And I'll have to ask something for my, what is it? AirPods anyways. I think this water show is the best water show I saw in my life. Like climax after climax. The climaxes kept coming. Like crazy. I can't believe it. This was amazing. And the light show was great. The water show was amazing. And this is just the first night, guys. Oh my god. Tomorrow, the whole day sightseeing in this beautiful country. Oh, this Marina Bay is amazing. My feet hurt so much, guys, because I bought these shoes right before I went on this trip, and Oh my god, they hurt so much. I've been walking on them the whole day, and now I have to walk for half an hour because I don't want to spend 15 bucks on a taxi. I'm not gonna do it. I'm in Asia. I'm not gonna do it. So half an hour walking. It's nice temperature. There's a nice breeze here too, so I'm good. I'm okay. Gonna see some of this beautiful city country. Beautiful. That was a spectacular water show and a great first night here in Singapore. But wait up, because I've made another video about tomorrow actually, where we're gonna taste local food and we're even gonna visit a tropical beach here in Singapore. I put the video here on screen for you to watch next, so click on it and I'll see you there. Bye!